There we go. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't do that again.
Yeah, he's up there. He went to the baseball meeting for me.
Triple foam.
Me and Jehovah are eating at Canton. Oh, sorry, bub. There's probably something at home. Okay. Alright, I'll see you. Just look, please be careful going home. Alright. Love you. Bye. Bye.
The express wash is now.
You wanted to know why his daddy's truck was at school.
The express wash is. The express wash.
Where did they have their meeting at?
In the library.
Oh, they're getting the lava flowing wax.
They've got the $15 one too.
Yep.
Mylene's, it takes 15 minutes, don't it?
$15? 15 minutes.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep, they got the lava wax.
Now, does this one have the colored wax that comes on?
Yep.
All right.
Triple foam.
I can't wait.
Yep, it has triple foam.
They got a bicycle in the back.
Yep. I guess.
Now they're getting it washed too.
Man, oh, now they're going in for the front tires. Oh no, it's coming on back.
Just the it's just a high pressure wash.
Oh, okay.
Up. Now.
The dryers.
Yep, dryers. Oh, these doesn't swing. These don't swing. They're just stationary.
That's weird.
The one at the other location has swinging.
That's the ones that do this.
Yep, swinging, synchronized motion drying.
Yeah.
These are just stationary.
I guess they have them turned just right.
Yep.
What, there's ever more than one?
I feel like that don't do much anyways, really.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it does a little bit. It is high pressure.
Yep. Lava wax. Lava flow wax. Express wash is now $10, Super 12, and Ultimate 15.
Wow.
This is the first time we're getting a $15 wash.
We're going to have the cleanest little Murano in town.
Yep.
I hope so.
It's adjusting. It's adjusting now. In May voice announcements, apparently. Here we go.
We got the green light.
Here we go. Do I have to go slow? Start now?
Yep. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Undercarriage. Yep, there it is. Undercarriage.
I can't see.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Man, it's been years since I've been to this one. Keep going. Stop. Pre-soak.
Alright.
Oh, it stopped halfway through.
Why'd it do that?
Probably front bug prep. Oh, there goes the pre-soak from the back.
Oh. Maybe it was something different in the front?
Yep. Front bug.
I'm afraid I'm going to get stuck in these things.
Yeah. Yep, there's the pre-soak. It's covering us from the back side.
So what was that in the front?
Front bug prep, like I said.
Oh, yeah, okay.
The bug stuff.
Yeah, probably so.
Brushes. Here come the brushes.
Oh, goodness.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, Miss Brandy. You okay?
I'm okay.
Are you scared of the brushes, though?
Yeah, they're just kind of freaky. You don't think they're freaky?
Nope. I think they're cool. Here it comes.
I'm surprised you like car washes.
Yep. Now we're getting 3 brushes instead of 2.
Well, you're going to have to tell Doug this is a new car wash.
What?
You're going to have to tell Doug this is a new car wash.
It's called a Tandem SurfLine. Tell him that. It's a Tandem SurfLine.
Tandem? Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Sounds
Tandem.
like it's beating the back glass off the car.
Yeah.
hope you still have your rear
windshield wiper.
wiper blade.
I think no. Oh.
Switching directions.
Oh. Yep. Oh, well.
Scaring you? Are they scaring you?
No, I
It's
don't like
close, isn't it?
Don't like getting
My
scared?
car was really nasty though.
Yep.
So that snow was nasty.
Yeah. Oh, my arm's kind of hurting filming out back.
It's dark anyway. You can't
Yep.
really see much.
Yeah.
There you go. Back must be really dirty. It's
Yep.
camping out back there.
Yep. Here it comes. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, do you get scared constantly?
Yeah. Reminds me of Twister.
Yep. Switching
It
directions
always
again.
gets right here beside me and then turns the other way.
Yep.
That is a big old twister.
Yep. Here go the tire scrubbers. Here go the
I
tires.
do need the tire scrubbers.
Yep. Here it comes.
So what they do, just renew this one?
Yep.
Yeah, they put a whole new system in.
Yep.
Oh.
This is a Tandem SurfLine.
I didn't see it do the front tires on that other car. Yeah, oh, I guess it does now.
Here it comes. And now it's doing the front tires.
It is. Never mind.
Yep. Thank goodness they improved this one. Thank goodness they improved it.
My car ain't never been this clean.
Yeah. Triple foam.
Triple foam.
Oh, it's a rinse. Never mind. Now here comes the triple foam.
Now, is
There's the
foam-
color, Grana.
Okay. I
That's
wondered
not a
what
good
that
coverage.
That wasn't, was it?
Nope.
It missed me.
Yep.
was. It come back down that side, maybe?
Well, it's much better than it was, I think. Well, a little bit. A little bit on the cruddy side on the triple foam.
I think so too.
Rinse. That's a rinse. This might be the longest video ever.
I gotta cut you off.
Now it's going to do spot-free rinse or...
Surface
Lava.
protectant.
Lava wax.
Oh, the lava.
Yep.
That's pretty good.
Yep.
Seems like your side does better than mine.
Yep. Lava wax. And now it's gonna dry faster.
Oh.
Because it's hot wax.
It is hot?
Yep. You can't feel it, but
I know. I bet it's not that hot.
yeah. Rinse. High pressure rinse. Now we're doing the spot free rinse and drying. Oh, they have the flash dry. Flash dry cycle.
Wow.
Yep. You didn't get all the water off though.
You think it comes back across or no?
Yep. Yeah, it does. Yep. Yep, this is a good one. And now it's done. Thank you all for watching. This is the first time I've filmed this car wash since 2021. Thank you all for watching and subscribing.